Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza, and today I am very excited about the release of Adobe Photoshop CC 2018, and we are going to check out what new features we have in that Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. Let's see its first look right now. If you are going to open your Adobe Photoshop CC, then you will find something like this, and you find that you have two more tabs like CC files and LR photos. Now CC files has Creative Cloud files where you can just add and get all your cloud files in Adobe Photoshop directly without having any problem. And in LR photos, you can just get your Lightroom photos directly in Adobe Photoshop, and you can edit that and you can make it better. Now that 2 tab has just came in new Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. Now let's make one new document and see what else we have in that one. Now you can check out that we have not anything added in that dialog box previously, which we had in 2017, which has been updated from 2016. Now we have no special change in here. Let me just create one new document, and in the new document we have like Adobe Photoshop CC and its starting window. Now let me just tell you one thing, that it has added that reach tool tips you are going to get. What is reach tool? If you are going to hover on your any icon of your toolbar, then you will find that it has a little bit direction or tutorial where you can understand that what that tool can do. Now the second, you can see the marquee tool, and you can find that yes, we have that function in marquee tool. In same we will get with the lasso tool and all other tools. We have all these settings and little bit video tutorial where you can get the idea where it has come from. Second part in Adobe Photoshop in 2002, which has been added, that is, let me just make one new document and we are going to write that Photoshop and CC 2018. Now okay, and let press Ctrl T and make the font little bit bigger. And now if you can change that interference to graphic and web, then you can find that here we have like our character, and we have in property some more details. Now let me just close that layer and we will get a big dialog box for properties. Now what I am going to tell you, that we have here one new features for the font, which is called variable font, and that variable font has a special properties which we can definitely use. Now see here we have like this one, which is minion variable concepts, and we have one mediate variable concept. Now let me click mediate variable concept, and here you will get that weight and width. What that does, let me just increase the width, and you will find that its width will be increases. Now let me add a little bit more width, and you can see that its weight is also increasing. Now let me just decrease the width. You can find that now it is decreasing its width. What it do or what it does, let me just show you here. We have different font for Mediate Pro. Like if I want to bold that one, I can do that from here as well. But from custom weight, you can see that now I'm going to change and it will also change. Let me just do that, and you can see now it has been changed. Now as much as you go or and make changes, you will find the font as it is. Now it is very amazing features which I found useful as a graphic designer and as a logo designer. If you are, or if you are going to use different width and weight for your font, for your design, that it will work amazingly. Now second, we have like copy paste the layer. For that I have, for example, my that layer. Let me just hide that one, and we are going to make one new layer, and let me just bring that light, and you can see that this is the light. Now what I will do, I have 3 or 4 options. I can make the copy of that one. First one, we have the alt. If I press my alt and I bring here, then you find that we just copied new layer of shape 1. Now let me delete that one. And the second option, you had like just make that new layer and drop that in new layer, and you get your new copy of that layer. Now what if I just press Ctrl J, you will get one new layer, and pressing that again Ctrl J, you will get a new layer. But we have one more option, like in regular or in default Windows, you can just press Ctrl C. Now I have selected that layer and I am going to just copy that one. Okay, now Ctrl T, making that a little bit bigger and taking that here, and now just Ctrl V, and you can see we got the copy of the previous layer which we have copied. And now if I am just going to take that layer and copy that one while pressing and holding down my alt key, now if I am going to paste again, I will get that same layer which I have previously copied that one. See, that is one of the amazing features in Adobe Photoshop, where we can directly copy the layer while pressing Ctrl C, and we can paste that layer again and again pressing Ctrl V. Next we have symmetry tool. Let me just delete all these and hide that shape. And if you are going to select your brush, and in preferences you come here and you are going to click technology previews, and in technology previews you will find the dialog box where you can enable paint symmetry and press OK. Now you will get that icon here in taskbar as well. Now doing one thing here, and here we will just make one new layer, for example here, and we will come here and make new vertical layer, and you will find that you have a line, vertical line, and you can resize that as well. But for now I will not resize that one, just pressing OK. And I have my dead brush, and let me see, yeah, I have my dead brush and I have black color. Now making one new layer and just adjusting the size, and you can see we can make a symmetry of that anything which we are going to design. Now it has something special features, like if I'm going to delete that one, and let me just delete these layer as well. Now we have different shapes like new, and I'm going to adjust that one and rotate here and press OK. Now coming in my brush, and everything is fine here, and let me see and check that one, the color as well. Okay, fine. Now let's make the symmetry. Now as you can see, with simple symmetry we can make a different design here, and that is quite useful while we are making some symmetric option and function here. Now these are some basic features in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018 which we have introduced to you, and I hope you got some basic idea. And we are so much excited to have Adobe Photoshop CC 2017 and using all such information. But before going away, I want to show you that now you have that three icons, and if you are going to click that one, you will find that you can just change and make different setting. Like, let me edit that one, and we have like this setting. You can change the you can change its shortcut and everything else. But let me just press shift and hold on my shift and press done, and you will see something here. Like, let me once again check that what can I do. Yeah, ellipse tool I have directly here, and I can make it here, and that is quite impressive that how much we have and different option we have here, and how we can just customize that tool as well. And I hope that you find that video useful, and this is some basic features of Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos which we are making daily in our YouTube channel. Thank you everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza, and goodbye.